All right, we back. Today we're on skis. Got the Rossignol Sender Soul 92s. I think this is a 2024, 2025 model. Got the Forza Pivot 12s. Not much of a skier, but we're trying to be. So I will get some laps in today. Maybe we'll do some dumb stuff. And by dumb stuff, I mean expanding my boundaries. But yeah, check in soon. I wasn't gonna go up T-bar. Should probably get a little bit more warmed up before I do this, but it's a little bit too late now. Yeah, I'm gonna drop off that side. Don't really know what it's called. Might be like Whale's Tail Bowl, I think. But yeah, we'll see how I handle the bumps and whatnot. I've been working on my moguls, and we'll see. I'll see you at the top. Yeah, guys, I might have fallen off the T-bar. That was the first ever. Oh man, I'm so turned around right now. Oh. Not chill. Huh. Okay. So, in short, got a little too confident riding the T-bar, stopped holding on, ski caught an edge, pulled me off, I fell, got up, no problem, skied into the trail, and went into the trees after one warm-up lap of a sport that I don't do. And yeah, you just saw the results of that. So I'm gonna go rip some groomers, kind of stay in my lane for a little bit. Pretty sore, pretty tired as well, but you know, that's what I get. Hopefully it looked good to you. All right, peace. Oh, that was close. made it all the way up the T-bar this time. Had a lovely conversation with a fellow local, talking about home buying and his advice. He's been here for almost 20 years, so it's good to hear from him. I'm gonna traverse over a bit and drop towards Peak 7. Every time I come up above tree line, I'm reminded how incredible it is to be out here. I mean, these views are insane. I mean, there's not many other places in this country where you can see all that stuff. And then there's a bunch of people like way up there also skiing, way up there also skiing, way up there. It's really cool. Really grateful to live here. Really grateful to have these experiences on a daily basis. And really grateful to be able to pick up a new sport and just kind of fall into it so easily, because I can be on the mountain 7 days a week. All right, we are in Debbie's Alley and Vertigo, I believe. I've been going up that lift a lot and seeing some fresh tracks right here and trying to figure out why people aren't riding it. And you know, that probably means it's beyond my skill level, but it's soft, so if I fall, it's okay. We're gonna go over here, figure that out. Got some good slushiness over here at the moment. Okay, that's it, and it's roped off. So that's why nobody's been hitting it. Ah, bummer. Okay, I'll just go this way, and then maybe I'll just shoot straight into Wanderlust from there. One of the reasons I wanted to get good at skiing so I could do this and really easily hike up a line so I can hit something. On a snowboard, you're pretty much donezo if you've passed it. But yeah, let's drop mandatory pole clicks. This is where I've been really practicing, trying to use my poles to like stabilize myself so I can really jump around and get in there. So let's see how this goes. Uh-oh. Sheesh. And charging time. Oh, baby. Friggin' juicy. All right. Survived the double black. Now we do some trees. Here we are in the middle of Wanderlust, Peak 7. This drops us into Ore Bucket. These are some of my favorite trees in the mountain. More so when there's powder, which there's not, but I don't care. Skip, skip, skip. Oh! Okay, we're going this way, and we're going backwards. We're falling over. Okay. I kind of hope you guys can actually hear me. I'm having a time. but I'm all alone, so nobody's here to share that with me. I might try and get mic'd up one of these days, because I can get Bluetooth mic to this new GoPro. It's pretty tight. But for now, you're gonna hear my muffled voice. I think there's a jump over here. We are back up at top of T-Bar. Well, not the top anymore, but you get the gist. This time I went skiers right. I think Horseshoe Bowl is behind me, I think. And then I'm gonna go towards the lines are called Kings and Queens. There's two cool cliffs over there. Ain't no way I'm hitting them on skis. Usually I won't even hit them on my snowboard. It's not too covered over there, but there's some cool little trees and bumps and stuff. It's gonna drop me out on the trail that I need to be to get back to my car. So yeah, I'm gonna give you the POV again, and we'll see you flipping forward. I turn this camera on and I swear my skill level decreases, but my confidence goes up, and that's not a good combination. Trying to find this Kings and Queens line. Might be above it, I might be past it. You never really know. I'm really working on trying to time my turns and the bumps. Ski instructor told me that you really don't want to be on top of the bump ever, which is something I'm struggling to not do. I'm gonna go line up as if I'm gonna do it, but I'm not. Oh man. All right, this has got to be one of them. I think this is King's Cliff. Again, the beauty of skiing, we can just walk right up. I might try and do something here. That's a no-go, that's for sure. There is a line right here, but I think I'll pull this line and cut hard, because I don't trust myself to be ripping through that chundery stuff yet, and I know that it's bumpier than it looks. I'm gonna get a little closer. Tiptoe, tiptoe. Okay, well, I'm really glad my ski came off. All right. This is something I haven't done before. Hike uphill in POW to get a ski. It's just as difficult as it looks when I'm snowboarding. Oh man, I'm gonna try putting my pole under here, get me some stability so I can actually click in. I think I'm in. Okay, word. And yep, humbled once more. Gonna go this way. Skidoo. That's gonna be my line. It's gonna sound just like that. And let's see. Oh, yeah, that wasn't the plan. Another phenomenal day on the mountain. Beautiful weather. Spring skiing is here. It's probably, I don't know, it's probably 42, 43 degrees out right now. I am wearing too many layers. But honestly, I'd rather be too warm than cold. It's always how I go. But moving forward, I think we can ditch a layer or switch a layer. I gotta go to work. I'm not exactly looking forward to that, but gotta support the lifestyle. So work will be over soon. Going on a sick trip to Costa Rica. Possibly a road trip involved somewhere there. If there is, I'll surely document it. But yeah, this might turn into, it might have turned into just a ski video. I feel like I got a lot of footage today. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some laughs while I got some laughs, and I hope you got some laughs maybe while I didn't and while I was hitting the ground. But I hope you come back for more. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all that stuff. Thanks guys. Bye-bye.